Sakal Gunaarnavas Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
O foremost among the great thinkers Munis, Shaunak, seeing the glaring brahmāstra proceeding towards them, the Pāṇḍavas took up their 5 respective weapons. The brahmāstras are finer than the nuclear weapons. Ashvathama discharged the brahmāstra simply to kill the Pāṇḍavas, namely the 5 brothers headed by Maharaj Yudhishthir and their only grandson, who was lying within the womb of Uttar. Therefore, the brahmāstra, more effective and finer than the atomic weapons, was not as blind as the atomic bombs. When the atomic bombs are discharged, they do not discriminate between the target and others. Mainly the atomic bombs do harm to the innocent because there is no control. The brahmāstra is not like that. It marks out the target and proceeds accordingly without harming the innocent.